Yes, everybody, Penelope just farted. I don't know if you heard that, but she did. That's Penelope for you. And she'll just keep eating like it's nothing. Rocky was eating until I started to videotape. Yep, they just had some worms, and obviously Penelope's acting like she hasn't eaten in 1,000 years, so yep. These are my crazy turtles, and over here, Phoebe's sleeping. She just tooted again. She's a little gassy butt. Phoebe's sleeping, so I won't wake her up, but this is her house, and her wheel's right there, and yeah. Alright, guys. Say bye.